Okay, March 1st. I'm out here checking my bees. Spring check for the first time this year. It's like 60, 64, 65 degrees. So we'll see how this goes. All right. Let's get the old hood on. I don't want today to be the first day I get stung of the year. I might. We will see. This hive here seems like the weakest, but I got one really strong one and two that seem about the same. So we're going to see if there's enough of them to make it or what. Still got a ways to go before I'm out of the woods. Best I can get. Okay, bees. Get some sugar. These things here are awesome. Sucks up all the moisture, I think. You know, and then they eat on it. Well, there's some bees in there. Let's see here. Maybe a little smoke job. Woo. Some bees in here don't look bad at all. I mean, better than I expected. So, I am at the very least going to take this styrofoam right here I just used as a filler and put a frame of honey in here that from my dead out the mites probably killed. And that looks like where the mass of the bees are, so the queen's probably right in this area. Doggone it. This over here. Ooh, that's heavy. There's lots of honey on that. Oh, hell yeah. Heck yeah. Geez, they got lots of food. Some good looking stuff. You can see the different colors. There's knotweed from later in the fall at the bottom. You guys can see that. And then blackberry and wildflower at the top. Kind of cool. Both sides. Rock solid. Set this down here. Probably another one full of honey. Oh, heck yeah. They got tons of food. Tons. This looks like it's all knotweed. These are extra tall frames from that I built for the bee barns from, that I got off of Vino Farms. When all my bees died one year, I just went and built 3 bee barns. Now I got basically 6 of them. That's all I'm going to do for bee barns. The rest are just going to be normal. Yeah, these guys look pretty good, man. I think. Or they got lots of food anyway. That's all food. Oh, this side's... They're eating on that. They're not lacking in the food department. Yeah, this is all empty. That's got some pollen on it. We're making bee bread out of. Yeah, it's pretty cool. So they're eating on that too. They just uncapped all that. Not a lot there. They're eating honey and nectar off of this frame too. They're just loaded with food. It's pretty cool. This hive right here was a swarm off of one of my other hives. Swarm that I caught just right here in the yard. A little smoke. Getting closer to the main group of bees. So this is where the brood's got to be. I'm only going to take out one, I think. Well, I got to get to this foam. So I got to take them, move them all down to the side here, it looks like. They're probably going to be pissed. It. That's the way it is. A little heavy. Or connected, maybe, to some. Oh, there we go. Not a ton of bees, but there is brood right here. I don't see the queen. I'm thinking she's probably either here or on the next one. I don't see no eggs. I do see some, uncapped, whatever it is, larvae. That should start taking off here pretty soon. Got lots of room to lay. Brood on that side too. See, I can't see in the screen. It's all bright. Not a not a ton of bees. Got lots of room for more. Lots of food. What's that? I don't see her down here. Guess I should get this back in so don't freeze. A mess. Okay. I mean, I think it's warm enough out here. It's really hardly any wind, so that's pretty nice too. Yeah, a bunch more brood here. Oh, there's a queen. I don't know if you can see her on that screen if I got it in the right spot, but she's right there, a pink dot. And she's got eggs and all stages going on right here, so that's good news. At least she keeps rocking. I'm a little nervous to put her back in there, but A moment, I'll do that. It's looking good. Get this thing out of here. Nasty styrofoam out. Yeah. A little bit of honey down there. They're still eating on. So we'll take this thing, put it here for a second. Grab, get this foam out. I've got this one here, tons of honey on it. One of the dead out, some pretty good comb. So I'll throw it back in here. Yeah. So this will go here. Actually, I'm just going to go like this. It's like I had it. And I'll take this one. I got two here. I don't think there's any brood on that, is there? Or eggs. I don't see. It's bee bread. Yeah. So that's what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Room for this baby? This thing's full of honey. Okay. Alright, now I put a pollen patty on here. And a little smoke job. Alright, got the patty on. These aren't doing too bad. That I'm supposed to get warm again here. What do we got? Where's my inner cover? This big thing back on. There's a bumblebee looking to get some food. Look out. That back. They don't need this sugar, but I'm kind of keeping it up here for moisture control. That's what I'm thinking. Seems to, I don't know if it's doing it, but can't hurt. Um, and all right, so these guys are good to go. All right, that one didn't look too bad. Queen looked like she's doing, laying some eggs. Didn't seem like a ton of bees, but I don't have tons of experience. You know, I think they're going to be okay. They got lots of food, as long as they got it, don't have a major mite problem, and they can keep enough of them keep warm. We got more cold weather coming here in about a week. Low 40s, rain. So we'll see what the heck happens. We'll do this next hive that I think is fairly weak. When I say weak, just not near as powerful as this one. This thing's, I know, isn't doing good. Hive number 2, bee barn number 2. This hive right here and one other, I copied exactly off Dino. And then the other one, I just made it out of regular wood boxes and then insulated it. We get the old smoker. Whoops. Yeah, that's about good. That's all plexiglass there. All right. So, pop this off. Oop, gotta get my tool. You can see the bees down in there. At first appearance, they look like about the last hive we had, just in quantity anyway. Oh, yeah. I think I'll start over on this side. That ain't good. That's gonna be messy. Sorry. That's brutal. Shoot. Anyway, we'll put it out here. I'm sure you guys will start sucking that up. we're good. Those back in the shack. Put this on. Just to get you guys, a little bit more extra food. If I can get that thing to sit on there, all right. Poke a hole. Yeah. There. Okay. I'll do the big hive. All right. This is the big one. Yeah. A lot more bees up here. A lot more flying. Now start over here, see what happens. Everything's glued together pretty good. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in here. Pollen patty. I'll put this fresh brick in there of sugar, since these guys seem to be really the ones chowing on the sugar. Oh, a bunch of deadies. Well, that's because you guys got in the way. Dumbasses. You guys can pack them out. I got. There we go. There. Okay. Put this foam back in. These guys should be good to go. Next time I open this up, I'll put sugar water in here, probably in I don't know. See how the weather is. A month or so. Yeah, so they're buttoned up. They're buttoned up. They're buttoned up. Everybody should be good. I still got bees. Oh, I don't know why. Yeah. I thought that, get out of here. Yeah. I'm gonna take my chances and take this off. Deglove. First layer, second layer gloves. It's my favorite combination. MaxiFlex gloves and some kind of dish gloves that are kind, heavy duty latex ones. I can still move my hands, and if I get stung, it's like barely. I can hear a bee. Where is he? It's kind of scary. I can hear a bee. Can't tell if he's inside or outside, but I don't want to find. Ooh, there he is. Yeah. Yeah. He's waiting. Is there any more on me? All right. I'm going to take my chances here.